place where I sleep. So I came outside to feed some of the birds. And I just saw them flying east. And they're all flying towards the east. Okay, I see some over there. They can stop and give them some. I got some more French fries that I'm not using anymore. So we can stop and give them some French fries. So just bear with me. We're gonna get them to us, okay? You can see that, but there were a group of birds over there. I don't know if they're gonna. Yeah. Oh, they're coming. They're coming, guys. They're coming. I'll show you a little. Just passing by, guys. Don't mind me. I'll show you when they get over here. They keep getting scared off. Sandi, a good person. I'll let you know if they decide to eat the French fries. I'll let you see them, okay? Alright. Yes, guys, those birds weren't getting with the program, and I see a whole bunch more down here. Okay, so I gotta go get them the food. Yes, I don't know why it's so hard to trap a bird. I get them in my control. Okay, there it is. See the bird over there. Look, they're coming. They're coming. I finally trapped some birds under my control. These are my birds now. Nobody can move me from my birds. I should have brought some more. Wait, you didn't like the frozen fries? I guess they're waiting for them to defrost, guys. Let's try again with some bread. I'll go get some bread from upstairs. I have a whole loaf. I'll try again with some bread. See you guys in a bit. Bye-bye. I got the bread for the birds, guys. This time, I'm not playing no games. Birds love bread. Oh my god, there's a squirrel there now. I've got to relocate the birds. Back to my first location. Okay, guys, let's go to the house. You see them down there? Yes, he's coming. He's coming for the bird. You guys see him? He's coming now. feed the birds. And we'll have a good time. Soon we make it to fishing.
Hey, bird. Why you let me go alone?
They all went over there. Let me see if I can zoom in. Oh, it won't let me zoom in. But you guys can still see. We have quite a bit of bread left. Try to see if I can catch some more. There's quite a few of these birds in the neighborhood. They're always up singing for breakfast. Coming back.